So today we are going to speak about M sound. So close your lips again, smile and say M, M, M. Good. So let's move to the words. And the first word starting with M sound is man. Man. Say after me, man. And the next word is map. Map. Do you know what is map? This is the picture that shows us some place. We are going to make a map today with you. Map. And the next word is milk. Milk. Milk is very healthy. Do you like to drink milk? Do you drink milk every day? It's very healthy. Do it every day. A glass of milk. And the next word is mug. Mug. Mug is a big cup. Mug. And the next word is mountain. Mountain. Mountains can be very big and high and very beautiful. Have you been to mountains? Mountain. Mountain. And the next word is moon. Moon. In the daytime, we can see the sun. And at night, we can see moon. Moon. And the next word is mushroom. Mushroom. Do you know mushroom? There are many types of mushrooms. There are mushrooms that we can eat, eatable mushrooms, and there are non-eatable mushrooms that we can't eat. They are poisoned. So be careful when you see mushroom. So that's all for now. Let's move on to our exercises.